This is the only book that young guys need to master social interactions. How to Win Friends and Influence People is an awesome book by a very awesome author. I think the world would be a better place if what was taught in this book was discussed in school instead of random facts and statistics that do not help you in life. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you the three fundamental principles of handling people as mentioned in this book. Principle number 1. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. None of us like to be criticized, and why criticize others? Criticism is dangerous. It hurts a person's precious ego and deprives them of their pride and makes them resentful. So the next time you're about to criticize someone, remind yourself that they are what you would do under similar circumstances. Principle number 2. Give sincere and honest appreciations. Everybody likes a good compliment. Your ability to compliment others is one of the greatest assets that you possess, but yet you and I use it so rarely. Complimenting is like sunshine, it helps all things grow. So the next time you like something in someone, be hearty in complimenting them. Principle number 3. Arousing the other person an eager want. You see, 99% of the people go about their days thinking and talking only about what they want. Only the 1% of the people, the successful people, think and talk on the terms of what the other person wants. Hamza, Iman, and Rotate. Name them, they have mastered this principle. So the only way on earth to influence other people is to talk about what they want and show them how they can get it. So if you learned anything new from this video, then like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. And as always, never stop improving. Peace.